Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 2m squared plus 7mn minus 15n squared. I'm going to rely on my cross chart here. And do take note how I position my terms, alright? 2m squared, negative 15n squared. And I must have the positive 7 and here, and for 2m square there's only one set of factors, and for 15 I can choose 1 times 15, 3 times 5, and in order to get the 7 I would choose this because 2 times 5 will give me my, n. This will give me my 10mn. 3n, and this will give me my 3mn. Such that now we just need to consider where should the negative be. I must get a 7mn at the end. And the only way for that to happen will be a negative 3. 10 minus 3 is 7, right? So the negative belongs to the 3. And we have successfully factorized this question. Alright? So this will give me 2m, negative 3n, m, and positive 5n. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 6c squared minus 29cd plus 28d squared. I'm going to rely on my cross method now. And do take note where I position my terms, alright? 6c squared, positive 28d squared, negative 29 c and d. And for this, let me see the factors for 6. 1 times 6, 2 times 3, and for 28, 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 4 times 7. And we must choose it in such a way that it gives me negative 29. And I think I would have found the right place. 2 and 3, 4 and 7, because first 3c times 2c is 6c squared. And I must position 4 and 7 in such a way that it gives me 29. Two times 4. D. Remember to put the D, okay? 8 CD. 3c times 7d will give me 21 CD. And indeed, they do give me my 29. But now is the time to consider the negative sign, and therefore I realize if I have a negative, first negative 4 times negative 7 is positive 28, and when I times the negative, they do give me negative 8 CD and negative 21 CD, and they do add up to negative 29 CD. And so we have successfully factorized this particular expression. So the answer will be 3c and negative 4d, 2c and negative 7d. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 6p squared minus 7pq minus 20q squared. I am going to rely on my cross chart here, and do take note where I'm going to position them. 6p squared and negative 20q squared. And that's my negative 7pq. Okay, so again, I do need to consider the pairs of factors. And at this stage, I don't consider the negative sign. Later on, then I consider, okay? They must give me a 7 after I do it, and I chose it. And if I choose these two pair, 3p multiplied by 2p, and in order to get 7, negative 7, I realized that I could have a 15 pq and a 8 pq. Now is the time for us to consider how do I get the negative 7. Yep, 8 minus 15. So the negative sign belongs to negative 5q, such that positive 4q times negative 5q will still give me back my negative 20q squared. And we have successfully factorized this question. Now is to present it neatly. 3p and positive 4q, 2p and negative 5q. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize p squared minus p plus 1/4. I'm going to rely on my cross chart. P squared and 1/4 will be here. And my negative p will be at the other side. And there's only one possible pair of factors, p times p. And as for this 1/4, I realized that 1/4 is equals to half times half. And that when I multiply them, I do get my half p and half plus half is 1. Now is to think about the negative sign, and if I have negative half and negative half, they will give me my negative 1. And when I have a negative half times negative half, it will still give me back my positive 1/4. And so we have successfully factorized this particular expression. And since p minus half and p minus half are the same, do write it in this form. Alright, and we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.